This is Alex from Your Classroom Helper, and this is the second video in my Plott App series. In this video, I'm going to show you how to take a tour as a user using the Plott App. If you want to know how to create a tour using Plott, you can see my first video by looking on my channel. To download the app, you want to go to plott.app. And that will bring you to the screen. I'm going to go ahead and install it and open it. As with any new app, make sure you're always using the most updated version, since they're constantly going to be updating and improving it, and allow your it to access your device's location. Since you're going to be accessing different checkpoints, you want the app to be able to know where you are. Okay, so I'm on my main screen. That is this middle icon, and I'm going to show you the one to the right. This is your settings icon. This is where you can change your language, the speed of the text. If you move it to the right, it's going to make the speed or the text rate that your tour is going to go through increase. You could also make it go slower if you want that text to come up slower. Here's your text size, and then contact information. I would highly encourage you to contact the app creator if you have any questions or issues. I have contacted him and he's been very responsive and getting right back to me if I've had any issues. And then I'm going to show you this icon furthest to the left is where you're going to access the different tours. Okay, so there are no trips that are close to me, but you can also see all the tours that are on the Plott app, and you can create your tour using this icon. If you're interested in creating a tour, you can look at my other Plott video, and I will walk you through how to create your tour. So first, I'm going to enter my private key of the tour that I've created. And this is given when you create your tour. So mine is Jonathons-Jolly-Jury. I'm going to search and it comes right on up. So you can see I am about 7 meters away from my tour. So when you are close enough to the location of your tour, it's going to go ahead and just enter your information, your tour right away. So let me show you what that looks like. So you can see I slightly increased the rate of this text than what is standard. So Japanese maple tree, I've located it. Here's a little hint. And then I entered a multiple choice question here. So most likely you won't be located exactly where your tour starts. So let me show you what happens if you're starting too far away for your tour to start. It gives you a rough idea of how far away you are from that first checkpoint, and it gives you an idea of what direction you should walk in. Okay, so it said that I got to my destination. Now it's telling me to locate the Japanese maple tree. Here's a picture of it. And I look around and there it is. So from here, I can go ahead and answer my questions. I'm going to go ahead and select that link this time for my hint. There it is. And then I can answer my multiple choice question. It tells me if I get it correct or incorrect. And then it lets me know when I have finished my tour. And there it is. Feel free to view the tour that I just walked you through. The key is jonathons-jolly-jury. I'll put it in the information below. I've taken out the GPS location so you don't have to worry about being in the correct location. So go ahead and check that out. Let me know how you use Plott in your classroom, and I will add all of the future tours that I do to the information of this video. Thank you so much for watching.